Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So I am actually out in the town right now. I brought some pieces to a tailor for him to alter for me because I ordered them from Shein, thinking that the sizes for me based on those styles would have been large. However, but to them just a stretch. I get big. I know why. I'm not a picnic. Can you imagine me a picnic? I need them to reach. Yeah. I know my breasts are bigger, so it's like every time I buy things in sizes, I always have to go about either giving it away or first time I gotta try alter it because I decided I'm not gonna get away. I'm gonna try to fix these pieces. So I brought some stuff here for the man to extend them to see if they can meet the breast part, because every other part on it good, but it's just the breast part them are the problem. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. When not share, make sure to tell somebody else about the channel. So I brought this stuff to the tailor on Tuesday. I told him, he said the next day. I said no, give it until Friday. So from Tuesday to Friday, right? I think that's a fair amount of time. So I hope me go him not fill me up with a whole lot of garbage, because you know people that associate themselves with trade, them lie bad. So they will tell you Tuesday, and you come Tuesday, you can't find them. When you find them on Wednesday, them tell us that they're not done Thursday, Friday. Them still have you all around in circles. So I hope that's not the thing that I hope that's not what is going to happen today. So I'm really looking forward to go get those pieces now and to see if him, you know, even if him fix it and it won't refix or something, at least we still have time for him to alter it again if it can be done. So I'm going to go inside there and then I'll keep you guys posted to what is up with him and if him finished my work and all of that. So yeah. So guys, the exact same thing what that I said before I come out of the car. The man not did it. Him not did it. So me have to call him and hear where him say and where him there. So but I'm gonna go into Haberdasher to see if I get silicone, because I have this curly wig that I bleached some time ago and it trashy bad. So I go see what I go and feed if them have silicone, if it's not too expensive, because the Haberdasher and money there. Yeah, no people go there, too dear for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if them have that and probably a red coloring, because I would like to like bleach it somewhat. Yeah, so yeah guys, quick story time. Can I tell you how this damn idiot tailor boy waste my time? I say I want to tell him to something. Yes, man. I have these things to fix, right? I have this. I bought this on Shein. It can't fit because I thought my size was large, but actually what I fit me would have probably be extra large or one other size 2X or probably extra large 1X. So me I tell him man now me buy material and he might tell me now so this is a ballier. Me I say, sir, it is not a goddamn ballier. It is a blouse, but because my titty them too big, it won't be able to fit me. So me buy a piece of material now to see if him can fix it. So I'm saying to him that I will be fine if it cannot close, but lick. You idiot? I said it would be fine if it cannot fit me. Waste my time, man. Me upset, you see. So me tell the man say, me tell the idiot tailor boy say, sir, it would be okay if you now fit. And you know the thing is, it's not the one I'm giving you, it's the next one, because I told them right there. But oftentimes I don't really give them work because them lie. The man piss off me there now because at the end of the day, him did explain shit to me and him still not listen to what me I say. Him not listen to what me I say because me I tell him say, you know, should I find out if that lady can fix it for me? Let me find out if the lady can fix it for me. Let me go the other way. Me no want to tell a man down there. So. Me not normally give them man no work, you know. Because them lie. So me I say to him say, me understand, me get the whole idea, say it won't fit me, right? It won't fit me because it's not my size, right? But me buy the material for him try and alter, not him necessarily, anybody who I get to alter it for me, right? Who can do it for me? So he must say to me, say, it not go lock, it's a ballier. Me I say, sir, me buy it. The style, it is a style that is supposed to lock. Me I go say me can insert the picture of this something me buy pan sheet. It's a style supposed to lock. But me get the whole understanding and the whole idea say, Tash is not going to lock on you. So we not think about that. Me just want it come on a little bit more. You understand? Me want it just come on a little bit more. Nah, shake like a chow. No why me a cussing and people uno. Right? Me get the watcher. Watch out. You see all them piece of road. Listen, when I get home I talk. You see them a road here. Let me say everything about this country because I'm not customer service. He might tell me what him want to do. And him not listen to what me I tell him. And I my damn clothes. Sure. And the man have me a waste me all time and I me explain to him and me say yes I understand and I don't need it today. I'll come back Wednesday. He not gonna have to do it now. Now go do it now. I mean I say me no want to do now. Me no want it to do now. No check the lady up as to see she can do it. If not, I'm go get me damn self because they say they come out to people and me cussing them, me cuss people. Sure. Me okay go check the other lady because you see how everything good. Everything I'm carrying the connect to me can me left me thing on here and the man go make it me and me come here go and diss him up, you know. Put myself on that problem because me mad, you know. Me tell the man piss me off your lady actually. Guys, everything happened for a reason. Because what this man was telling me to do, this lady, she seems like she knows exactly what's the issue. Because when I went inside and I was telling her about the problem, she even went ahead to show me someone who bought a blouse or whatever you call it, because the tailor say a blouse is something that is fully covering your body, so a top, whatever ballet style top, whatever. And she showed me someone who is having an issue and they bought the material and altered it under the arm. The tailor was telling me to take off the entire top of the dress and remake it. And what this lady I got sent me around here, the tailor never did for touch my clothes because I would have problem. God see I know say I would have problem because me not like people, you know, piss me off because I will be very bound with my words and I try my best to grow up on a different level and you know. But as I was explaining earlier with the tailor man, right? After the man done, because he might tell me what he want to do and that I want to do. Right? He might tell me say a balera. Me I tell him say it's not a balera. Me say sir, it's a style. It come with a blouse. He might tell me no. So me I say this is how me want it. I don't want it to be closed because I have an understanding. I got the understanding and to say that you know what, the breast part it not gonna lock, but me want it come on a little bit more. That's in just ouch up out here so and look odd on me. You understand? I guess because him don't want to be able to do it how I want. I say, oh, I am saying I really want it. I mean, you're getting a customer. You try to assist your customer based on the liking that him or her have. So you try your best to fix it. I'm not able to do it. I'm not have no time, none at all. So I say, why the hell you waste my time? That's exactly what I said to him. So I said, why you have me around here wasting my time? You just wasted my entire time. Why did you wasted my time? Why you waste my time? Me said, don't waste your time. But I'm not gonna have no time because he might give me attitude because obviously he's not pleased with how I said I want it to be done because he now get to do it like how he want. All him do is just waste my time just now. I'm not give them work, you know. I'm not give them work. So I know the devil send me come going there from Tuesday to the other one. And him tell me say, he might go do it, come for it tomorrow. And I say, no, I'm not coming for it tomorrow because tomorrow would be too sudden. You won't have enough time to fix it. So I say, I'll come back on. I'm giving you until Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And the hell me go there, man, I go tell me say, he man not did it. And then he man not did it. When me call him, him busy, him not gonna get to deal with it. So me leave and me call him. And when me call him, me say, are you going to be able to do it anytime soon? Him say no. So me say, alright, you know what, I'm going for it. And if anything, the other tailor didn't have time. From me go there to the back side, he come at me know me should leave it send out to the tailor boy, beg him to touch me things, you know. So I was having a very good day. Alright. Until this man pissed me off. Swear. Every time I pass the house, somebody it's supposed to move in up. And it just grieved me like true definition of having a bad day. I'm gonna try upload Vlogmas day 10. But true, it's a long video, 27 minutes. Which I wanted to do both videos for today. I was going to upload this video for today. I'm park on that tree or I'm park. I know me a lot tired that watch it too, you know, because you see it don't piss me off. It's like everything piss me off, you know, because I'm tired of watch it because it come like them not say them need for work part watch it like you know I say I don't realize that most of these places they are not for us Jamaicans, they are for foreign people. You got watch you as a Jamaican somebody, it's like you're tired of everything we done there. God. This event, this is how I feel. The stone them here someone. Why me come park? You know, me not park the car in the sun. Because the sun father don't like his son now then. I don't like any car park in the sun. Yes, if I take me buy a car, I don't buy no car. My father got a friend and me a driving car. So it's very convenient and I really do appreciate this gesture. Some people just know if it's spoiler day. Today Friday. I'm gonna go in and see if I can upload finish upload Vlogmas day 10 hopefully. I'll upload the video too at the end of the day. So I'm gonna put on my fan and I'm gonna me again.